Welcome everybody out to an Intakt and LeanTakt YouTube video covering another feature of Intakt. I've got my friend Luis Valencia there. Hey, Luis, say hi to everyone. I've got an example file that he was providing for me up here. I've already filtered out the interiors, and he wanted to show me the multi-select function. So if I hold down Control, or on my Mac Command, and I click 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll notice that the 1, 2, 3, 4 shows up in order. And once I go ahead and hit link in sequence, let me make sure that that clicked. Yep, it will automatically link that in the proper sequence. I also, if I have a multi-select going on, I can unlink the selected, which is pretty powerful. One other quick tip that he was showing me, and Luis, thank you for showing all of these to me, was when you have multiple activities like these and you want to link them all to the same predecessor, I can go ahead and select it and say link to same predecessor. So then it gives me this little dialog box that says click to assign a predecessor, and I can click over here to another activity, and then the logic will link all of them to the same one. And like I already said, if I wanted to get rid of all of the logic in that cluster, I could hit unlink. But the bottom line is the multi-select function is becoming so much more powerful and Intakt, and you have multiple different options now. And this is going to help us with the repetition, with doing a lot of different types of logic ties, and it's absolutely fantastic. Luis, thank you so much for showing this to me. And for everyone else, let's get you into Intakt and get you started. We're developing as we go. We love you all. On we go.